Yo, welcome to another Hyperdrive Live trading session. I am your host, Coach CJ, and I'm excited for you to be here. We'll be live in a few moments trading the Nasdaq futures market using the Hyperdrive system. If this is your first time trading with me, buckle up, because we trade a fast-paced but simple, color-coded, and highly efficient system I created to be in and out of the markets in 90 minutes or less. If after watching this session, you want to learn this system, grab my Hyperdrive instruction manual with the link in the description. You'll be added to our private community and receive 30 days of live trading for free on Zoom with zero delay. Before we start, do me a big favor and make sure you like, subscribe, and share this stream with others. I greatly appreciate that gesture of support. All right, the market is about to open soon, so let's get this session started. See you in 3, 2, 1. Enjoy the show.
Good morning, good morning. How we feeling? Happy Thursday. Let me know in the chat. You can hear me all good. Some fives or something in the chat. Got 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes. Excellent. Appreciate it. What's up, George? Jazzy J, Christine. What up, Brian? What up, Paula B? Cindy, Jimmy P. Good morning. Good morning. All right. We had some action this morning. Actually, hold on. Let me pull up YouTube real quick. What up, B? What up, Bryant? What up, Che? What up, Dustin? Bob, Eno, good morning. Good afternoon to you, Eno. All right, we had some action this morning. Market is sitting around the 800 area. We're in alignment for buys. We had news at 8:30, which kind of was delayed until like 8:48. We've been having these delayed news reactions. But anyway, this was our 8:30 candle. It pushed down off of the 725 area, swept the London lows. And Asia low, I believe. Yeah, that's all in there. And then pushed up from there. And then we had this random 848. Actually, it was 849, random 849 reaction that went up. Looks like about 200 points. No, not that much. 140 points. And now we're just chilling around 800. We had an imbalance there off that candle, obviously, and just kind of hanging around the J4 right now on the 1 minute. We're in alignment for buys, so we'll see how the first three does if it opens up. We've already taken out quite a few daily targets. We took out the 802 daily target. We also took out another one down here from a couple days ago, from Tuesday. And then we took out this big one that we were talking about at the 858 level. So 899 is our now daily target, and above that would be 22048. And market's about to open up here in 35 seconds. What up, Arnie? What up, Bob? So we're pushing off the 802 level, 800 level right now. Been holding strong. We haven't really closed back below that, so we'll see if we just continue straight going up here. Maybe we'll be looking at 850 for entry after the first 3 minutes. What's up, Sharif? But we'll see. About to open up here in 14 minutes. I mean 14 seconds. All right, market is open. This is an interesting candle right here. It could be if we stay in between 850 and 800 in the next 2 minutes, then it could be 800. If we close below 800, then it could be 750. We just have to wait for the first 3 minutes to finish up, and we'll see. I'm seeing some divergence happening on this 1 minute chart. We're kind of losing volume here a little bit. Oh, there we go. My chart is frozen right now. There we go. Market's getting a little wild. Tapping into this order block down here off the 845. There was no news at 845, right? Yeah, I don't know. It's just random reaction here at 845 on the 5 minute chart. So we just tapped into that. Let's see, 750 is technically will still be in play as well, but honestly I think I'm gonna wait. I don't know how I feel about 750 right now. We got 30 seconds left in this candle. We do have this strong in push off here. It's just tapped into this imbalance and it's moving away right now. I mean, not this imbalance, this order block. Technically 750 would be the first option. It's in alignment. It's hasn't been closed. It hasn't been tapped since it closed above. Uh, 800 could be an option too if we close back above it. We got a minute and a half left in this 3 minute candle. We're below 800 right now. Bearish engulfing candle here in the 3. All right, we closed below 800, so no option there. I'm not really sold on this price action yet. We're only 6 minutes in, so we'll see if we get some movement. I don't want to take 750. I'm not really liking that area. Yeah, it's hesitating both sides right now. I mean, we had this pop, and then it pretty much just stopped and started to consolidate through here, right? So just kind of where we are right now. It's just in this zone. And I'm just continually see our 1 minute getting weaker and weaker here on the volume. We're just moving sideways right now. We're not having any push. I honestly rather see a strong push all the way up to here, or this thing pushing down, just getting out of this entire area. This entire area just looks like it just is inviting chop, inviting indecision. One minute is just getting weaker and weaker. It's going to go into a stalemate soon. Let me see, like, plus we got NFP tomorrow too, so this was yesterday, very similar type of action where we had just, you know, choppy, rangy. And even when it kind of broke out, it really didn't break out. It just held 800 so strong yesterday. 800 was a very strong resistance for the market yesterday. And overnight, it had a little breakup above 800, then came right back down, used 800, and now we're just kind of playing around this same trash chop area that we're in yesterday. So none of this really interests me at the moment. And now we're blasting down below 750. We'll see how we react from here. This is an active candle, so you could have squeezed an entry in there. Although this candle is starting to show stalemate, it's just not worth it to me personally. Compared, so this right here, this price action yesterday compared to what we want to see in the market when we open up is actual climb if we're in alignment for buys. Like, this is what we want to see. I want to see that, and this, even all of this is okay, right? Because we opened up right here, we worked the first 3 minutes. This is a 1 minute chart, by the way, where we open up right here, we wait the first 3 minutes, so 9:33 after, we're below here, and we're seeing actual expansion, right? I think we missed our entry here, and we're seeing movement. Like, we're seeing pullbacks, we're seeing movement up, right? We're not just seeing the market do this. Same thing on Monday. We have easy opportunities when we have the market, you know, moving up or down. Easier opportunities. I don't really remember what happened Monday. Yeah, we had a super easy opportunity right here up for 400, right? Because the market was in a push, it was in a climb. Like the opened, it actually opened. It didn't just, you know, open and go nowhere. So 750 would have played. I see. It's back up to at least a break even right now. But we're in a stalemate on this opportunity now, so this more than likely is going to come right back down. It's probably going to use 775 as a resistance and push this market back to the downside. Now, if we come, we never lost the trend. So if we come back on the 1 minute and get the volume back, that shows us a little something. That shows us the buyers are stronger than they seem in this area. So that'll change. That'll be more information for us to look at this a little differently. $750 had a lot of movement in the previous market. Yeah, I mean, yeah, it's a squeeze. We have the bottom, a new 15-minute candle coming in here in a couple of seconds. Bearish engulfing 15-minute, we just closed. All right, we're about to flip the one. We did flip the one. The 3 minute close, 5 minute also close. Target wise from a sell perspective is going to be 631. Oops, I think I already had a line there. Nope. We might hit that before we even get a chance to flip all the way. There's an imbalance right below that. We'll see how it responds at the 641 area. But, yep, this is the fall I was talking about. It was giving that vibe. Could have maybe secured 10 points on the buy off of 750. We got to 790. I definitely would have had at least 10 locked in on that. We're at the bottom of the news candle. I don't know if it was the true news candle or not, but we're at the bottom of the 830 candle right now. Did we flip the 3? We're working on the volume on the 3 minute right now. Strong pushing back up. Back to 750. The 3 minute has flipped, but we moved away from the 5 minute. We might get the volume to flip on the 5 minute sooner than the trend. So almost there. We're in the bottom of the hour now. Mhm. It's tapped into that order block. This thing should start to really fall now. If it's going to fall between now and the top of the hour. Looks like we hit the HDL on the 5-minute as well on that. Got close to it. For the 5-minute, we just got to get close below 688. I would like to be in at 700 because our daily target, that would be 60 points away. We are 2 minutes away from having the volume on the 5. Close back below the news candle, slow. All right, 10 o'clock's 1 minute away. All right, 10 o'clock. Can we get a 10 o'clock drop? Back to 750 again. Well, through all this, the volume is picking up on the 5. That's good. We just keep going. We keep finding ourselves in sections and then just stalling out. We're now in this section. Yep, J4 touch on the 1. Eating up more of this imbalance. Back inside of this order block here. All right. We got news again tomorrow, 8:30. Just looking ahead at next week. We may not have a session on Tuesday. We don't have any news during our session. We have news. It was just the yellow folder at 10 o'clock on Monday. So we'll be live tomorrow. We'll be live Monday, and then we'll see how Monday goes. We might take Tuesday off. Paid or unpaid? What's that mean? Oh. Well, we'll be unpaid. Some of you guys will probably try to get paid. It'll be unpaid for me. Is this it? We're at this bottom low trend line. Back to this little midpoint here. The 725 area. We're gonna crash through it. It's 10:09. Back to the news candle low. We might have something. 5-minute HDL, 3-minute HDL, same one. All right, we're on the other side of this mid gap here, midline here, 725 area. Other side of this fake news line. See if we can hold over here. Nope. This is a typical day in all of your shrewdness today and yesterday you put on the clinic. Well, today's trading is like a toddler with a box of crayons, colorful but unproductive, and might end in tears. You know what? I lost my phone somewhere. Oh. Oh. Guess where my phone was sitting? Anyone want to guess? No, it wasn't in my hand. It's not that bad. Right in front of me. Yep, literally. Literally right in front of me. It wasn't in my hand. What was I about to say? I completely lost my train of thought, and the whole reason why I grabbed my phone. This is a typical Thursday before NFP. This is a typical Thursday before NFP. We don't want to see it, but it is what it is, man. It is what it is. I only got one trade in this week. That was Monday. The market's been pissing me off all week. Well, at least that was a win. Monday was easy. Monday was a 3-minute trade. We were in and out and 50 points done. You got to be patient in this game. I think it's Warren Buffett that says the market takes from the impatient and gives to the patient. So go ahead, market. Take all this impatient money and give the patient people some opportunities, because we're waiting. That's a smart, wise man, Jimmy. You should listen to that person. Every little pump fake it makes you want to try to take it, right? That's how these days try to suck you in. They give you these little pumps, give you these little stale breadcrumbs just to make you press the button, and then they're like, gotcha. Give me that impatient money. I got some patient people over here that are waiting for the A+ setup. Let me get that so I can pay them. I don't remember the last time it's been just an all complete smooth week. I don't think it's supposed to be smooth every day. I mean, we would love that, obviously. But the market just doesn't do it. It just doesn't move that way. This stays in this area, bottom of the hour, I would expect it to do a push somewhere. But that's a long time from now. Ooh, I need to put on a hoodie. I'm shivering. We're in this range right now. Holding that midline pretty good. Holding that fake news line pretty good as well. Man, our weather has been so crazy. It was like 78 2 days ago. Then it rained all day yesterday. I guess it's 64 outside right now. Or maybe I should open up this door. All right. Why don't we all take a bathroom break, coffee break, water break? Maybe that'll help the market do something. I'll be back in a couple minutes. Well, she did move. So it worked. I guess we just weren't specific with the direction. All right, fam. But that movement to the upside. There's a 3 minute gotta get to. Oh, way up there? Yeah, no. I don't see this thing really buying up, but it's gonna be a slow, maybe a slow grind for the sales. I don't see this thing buying up. Yeah. All right. I think I'm gonna call it there. No point of sitting here watching paint dry any longer. Unless there's any questions, we can talk about it. But other than that, we got one more day tomorrow. I'd rather go watch baseball, right, George? Same page. I think you would rather watch paint dry than watch baseball. Really? Come on now. Going to baseball games is actually kind of fun. No, I missed it. Did he win? Or just put up a good fight? Back up to 800. Oops. There's people in the waiting room. Sorry. Sorry, you didn't miss anything. All right, family. I'll see you guys tomorrow for our Friday session. You're welcome. It'd be interesting how this price action plays out the rest of the day. Maybe something I'll look at later on and see if we ranged or if we broke out of this. Yeah, I don't agree. I don't disagree. Oh, there was somebody in the waiting room. If we do go bullish, I can easily see this getting to 22,048. This area right here. Yeah, that area is very interesting. Okay. You will take the 8 coming 850. For what? Oh, in about an hour. Yeah, that's why I said that earlier, Dustin. Like, I don't really. Even if we go bullish, like us getting it in the next 30 minutes ain't happening. It could be an afternoon move, maybe something you look at in the afternoon and when we get back in alignment. This is another reason why I just think that we're probably going to end up falling over from here, is because we're so far away from having to flip the 3 that I think that we'll probably end up diving. Yeah. Yeah. We're rejecting off 800 right now. If anything, keep an eye out for sales in the next 30 minutes. If we do start to, we still got to get below 680, 690 area, which is 100 points from where we are right now. This daily target is a lot more in reach than anything else. The 641 area. So, but yeah, no trades, no alignment, no trades today as well, is what I'll be typing in our results page. And I will see you guys tomorrow for Friday. We're rolling off of 800 now. Ken's probably gonna tell us he's at break even. TP incoming. No, not that one. That looks like it's gonna get 50. All right, family, you guys have amazing Thursdays. I will see you guys tomorrow for Friday session. If there's anything you need from me, feel free to hit me up on Telegram. You guys are welcome for sure. Have a great day. Yeah, boom, there she goes. Keep an eye out on sales. We're getting some heavy price action in here now. See if it actually holds true and gets through the 690 area. If it does, I will love to grab 700 as a sale. If I can't grab 700, I probably won't grab anything. But 27 minutes left in my clock, and I will see you guys tomorrow. If I do anything, we'll post it in Telegram, and we'll take it from there. Peace out for now. Have a great day. Thanks for watching on YouTube. Leave a like on the way out, and I'll see you guys tomorrow as well. Peace.